Bretford MobilePro Mounts provide durable and elegant support for your Mac or Apple display, freeing up valuable desk space and positioning your display in the optimal ergonomic position. The MobilePro Desk Mount provides up to 12 inches of vertical and horizontal travel and rotation in two directions, allowing you to raise, lower, push, pull, rotate, and position your Apple display exactly where you need it. The MobilePro Desk Mount combo offers all the same adjustments as the MobilePro Desk Mount and provides an additional adjustable arm suitable for an iMac, MacBook Air, or MacBook Pro for a dual display workstation, or an iPad, keeping your touch devices always within reach. And the MobilePro Wall Mount provides the same flexibility for your iMac or Apple display anchored to a wall, with 12 inches of travel and 180 degrees of rotation, offering easy viewing of the display and easy access to the ports and back. All Bretford MobilePro mounts offer adjustable cable clips, which organize your power, video, and accessory cables and route them neatly to their destination. The MobilePro Desk Mount, the MobilePro Desk Mount Combo, and the MobilePro Wall Mount.